Hi there, welcome back to Marky RC. On today's video we're going to be unboxing this little beauty, Tamiya's mo8R chassis. I've already got an mo8, so let's see what you get in the box. You do get quite a few hop-ups in these. Quite a weird box, no box art or anything on it. It's almost like sort of made out of Cordex floor protector. We've got inside the box, no blister packs or nothing like that, just basically chucked in the box. So we've got Tamiya's manual, same as always, really good quality manuals from Tamiya. You get these lightweight wheels. So a lot of the mo8 is sort of spec towards lightweight. Get these quite cool Tamiya wheels, mini size wheels. Don't think of no, I haven't got that pattern, so don't know whether that just comes in this particular kit. So we've got all our plastic parts. I think the mo8, if I remember rightly, uses the 207, the mo7, sorry, suspension arms, and they're like a reinforced plastic, and they're supposed to be a little bit longer apparently. So the little booklet says inside the kit box. Same again with the chassis. Chassis is the same as the mo8 concept chassis, which is the same again, like that reinforced. Sort of reinforced like carbon plastic. I mean, really rigid. And to be quite fair, there's not really a lot to these chassis on these cars, but really lightweight. These new mini chassis as well can take LiPo batteries, so you haven't got to worry about finding a mini or a shorty pack. Standard A parts, I think they're the same as the normal mo8, no difference in those, and they're quite a nice supple plastic. Same again, reinforced sort of carbon woven plastic on the gearbox housing. That is the K, I think they're the K parts, were they? It's unusual for them to all come off of the part trees as well. They're all reinforced plastic parts on the gearbox housing. Steering knuckles, same again, really hard plastic. And the rear hub carriers, not the reinforced plastic though. You can see like the normal plastic is really shiny, and the reinforced stuff sort of got like more of a matte finish. Looks to me as if they're all the reinforced plastic as well. That sort of carbonized plastic, but they seem to have a little bit more flex to them. And then we've got that gigantic part bag, hopefully with all those shiny hop-ups in. So we've got part bag A. That's a hop up. You get a ball differential in the mo8R, plus all the greases. Also a blue anodised engine mount, and a few other bits and pieces. Oh, you get the sort of that titanium nitride covered shock shafts as well in part bag A. I'll be doing a full build on this anyway, so I can show you the parts in a bit more depth when it comes to the build. You also get them absolutely beautiful aluminium. I think they're off the M chassis shock, like a hop up part. I can't remember the part number, but you also get all the little standoffs. It looks like they're all double sealed, and you get 2 different weights of oil. It's unusual, I've never seen that in a kit before. Normally you just get 1 weight, maybe they're different front and back, and some more of those little titanium nitride or trade, whatever it's called. The shafts are coated in like that gold colour, plus a load of blue anodised standoffs, some blue ball studs, and 3 hole piston tops, and carbon fibre shock towers, I think, or braces, carbon fibre braces maybe. Normal shock ends and all the little rod ends, all the other little bits and bobs for all of the linkages. I know you get carbon fibre shock towers, and that they are some kind of carbon fibre brace. Full set of ball races, loads more anodised blue ball studs and little standoffs, and also universal joints for the drive shafts, anodised blue, which make them, I should imagine, to be super lightweight. And then we've got part bag C, same again, loads of standoffs, all anodised blue turnbuckles, which are pretty cool, and another load of ball races. Part bag C. All the little inserts that go into the suspension arms, tiny little gears, only 3 gears in the kit, plus the ball diff. I think that's a 52 tooth ball diff. And then Tamiya's little box spanner, some little spacers, some little washers, their version of 3M tape, and some zip ties. Oh, plus heavy duty servo saver. I do think this kit as well comes with aluminium wheel hexes, which is probably in one of these little packets. So I remember reading that on online. You also get some thread lock and some grease. So next video I'll be start building the mo8R. I thought you've got tyres, but obviously you don't. Oh well, I have to get some tyres. They are the narrower, they do look like the narrower style wheel. I'll grab some tyres. Gone for Tamiya's TZ super stock motor, because I want to run this one, you know, just gently round the park on the big tarmac area. Probably take the mo8 down there as well and see if it makes any difference having all these hop ups. But the cost of this kit, I paid £213 delivered from eBay. I think they're around 260 to 270 mark, as in the normal mo8 is around the 170 mark. So there's absolutely no way you could buy all those hop ups for that sort of money. You're probably looking at twice the cost of the hop ups again on top of the kit. I know you don't get a body shell, but then you don't get a body shell with the mo8. So like I say, next video I'll be putting this car together, and as I build it I'll go through all the hop ups. But I think this one's going to be quite a cool build, because you haven't got to track down tons and tons of hop ups to make it look super cool. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video of Tamiya's mo8R. I hope you like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. So thanks for watching. I'll see you later.